Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Logic Pro for freely. So you don't have to pay any single penny. You can do it uh, using actually after downloading the software from Apple's website. So let's see how we can do this thing. So at first we have to go google.com. Once we are in the google.com, just type Logic Pro and then hit Return key of your keyboard. You will see Logic Pro will be there, but don't download from here like itunes.com, apple.com. Don't download it from here. Rather go down a little bit. You'll find like this type of link, apple.com, then Logic Pro. Just go there and there you will go. Here you will find the Logic Pro site downloader link. So this is coming from Apple. You can easily type this thing also, apple.com/Logic Pro, and you can be in this page. So once you are in this page, you'll find there are different options are there like overview, plugins and sounds. So each of them has some different things, but this is the overview thing. Overview means what this Logic Pro, it has the feature, the latest feature. It is actually summarizing everything. And also before using this version, I mean latest version of Logic Pro from Apple website, at first you need to check the tech specs. So if you click here, you will find there. I'm using Mac OS, and definitely to install this on or to use this Logic Pro version, basically we need this version of Mac OS Sonoma 14.4.4 or later. Okay, and you also need 6 GB of storage space to install this thing. So this is the minimum requirements. So the operating system should be 14.4 or higher and 16 GB of memory. And also if you need to install the sound library, you can install that freely, and it takes 72 GB of space. So that's are the minimum system requirements for Logic Pro. Now let's see how we can get it freely, and we can download it freely. So to download it, basically at first we need to come Logic Pro, and here we will find two options are there: free trial and buy. Buy means you have to pay, but our target was to use this thing freely. So I'm going to click free trial. We have to click here, and then we'll find this download now button, and this by clicking here it will be downloaded, and after that you can install it. So this installer or this version of Logic Pro, you can use it for 90 days. So after 90 days you cannot actually use it anymore, but there is a trick. I found couple of locations in online. I searched Google and found that there is a command. You can search it because I'm not going to show you how to search that. You can search Google, and there is a command to reset this trial. You can use that command to reset that thing. After resetting, if you try to run the Logic Pro, then you will find that again it is giving us option to use it for next 90 days. So let's see, for my case I'm going to open command and spacebar, and then I'm going to type Logic Pro, and this is the Logic Pro software. So once I click here, it is showing like Logic Pro trial will expire after 90 days. So basically if you use those type of command, you can easily reset this thing, and then after that you can press OK button to start Logic Pro. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily use Logic Pro freely from Apple's website for first 90 days, and after that if you wish we can reset it, or we can purchase the software from Apple's website. Thank you guys for watching the video.